Image sensing has become more pervasive and more complex. ON Semiconductor keeps up with the latest needs in the market by releasing cutting-edge technologies like the AR0144 1-megapixel global shutter image sensor. This video will show some of the latest performance benefits of the AR0144. But first, we want to discuss the key differences between global shutter and rolling shutter technologies. When considering an image sensor, it's important to consider the end application that's being designed. When designing applications that require high resolution, where the human eye will be reading and consuming the images, a rolling shutter image sensor is ideal. Rolling shutter applications often include DSLR cameras, IoT and wearable devices, action cameras, and security cameras. Unfortunately, rolling shutters come with some baggage that makes certain applications not ideal for this solution, which may cause the need to move to a global shutter solution instead. An example of this is when you take a picture of a spinning propeller on a plane with a standard DSLR camera. It creates a cool artistic effect on the camera image, but it's not true to life. It makes the propeller appear bent or unnaturally twisted in some way. This is because the rolling shutter actually exposes and then reads out each row separately within the same frame, resulting in a row-to-row image skew. Now, unlike a rolling shutter, a global shutter has the ability to integrate an entire frame of pixels at the same time and then transfer simultaneously all pixel values into an adjacent pixel storage area. After the transfer is complete into storage, each row is then read out as a progressive row-to-row readout. A global shutter has the ability to, in essence, stop motion and give a clean picture without these artifacts. This is ideal for applications requiring fast motion capture like barcode scanning, machine vision, and drone collision avoidance applications. The downside of global shutter technology is that it's hard to shrink to smaller pixels, which ultimately ends up limiting resolution to a given size. The technology also costs more, and it's more difficult to use absolute cutting-edge pixel technologies because of the need for storage node and more complicated readout methods. Both types of products definitely have their place. When you need to consider a global shutter image sensor for your application, it's important to find one that will adequately fit your needs. We've set up a demo with the AR0144 global shutter sensor from ON Semiconductor, which provides 1280 by 800 resolution and uses the latest 3-micron global shutter pixel. We're comparing it to the AR0140, also from ON Semiconductor, which has the same resolution and uses a 3-micron rolling shutter pixel. The demo is intended to emphasize how in specific use cases where high-speed motion is needed to be captured, the global shutter solution is far superior and can create a crisp, clean image even when the object being captured is moving. Both sensors offer best-in-class image sensing technology. Both sensors are running at 100 microsecond exposure time with balanced gains. The target is a set of barcodes like you would see in a shipping warehouse or at your local retail store for checkout. The tangential speed of the target is approximately 125 inches per second for the outer barcodes. The barcodes closest to the center are running about 50 inches per second. Both sensors will have synchronized triggers aligning them to the rotation of the motor. The light source is DC and is supplying approximately 13,000 lux off the face of the target. As you can see, the target is rotating at its full speed. Even the human eye has a hard time to see where all the barcodes are on the target. We'll take some images using the ON Semiconductor DevWare software evaluation and toolkit. These images will highlight the difference between the performance of the two types of shutter solutions. On the left is a rolling shutter image sensor, and on the right is the AR0144 global shutter sensor. This is live video of the spinning disc. While both sensors have the ability to acquire an image based on triggered timing, the rolling shutter sensor has distorted the barcode significantly. On the left it's stretched and on the right it's compressed, making the ability to read the barcode next to impossible. This rolling shutter artifact is caused because each row starts and ends its exposure at a different time. On the right hand, the AR0144 maintains the barcode shape and size in the entire image. This is due to the fact that each pixel has a storage location that allows all pixels in the scene to expose at the same time and be stored. One problem area for global shutter devices is that these storage nodes can be susceptible to light leakage, which can cause blur and banding in the image. The AR0144 has been developed with significant shielding, which delivers a global shutter efficiency of over 4,300 to 1, which is more than double that of similar products in the market. This means that the AR0144 can deliver a clear image for the user. This leading global shutter technology efficiency is combined with a design that is focused on high SNR or signal-to-noise ratio and a low overall noise, which delivers a leading performance in its class. Combine that with its compact 1/4 inch optical format and you have a product perfectly suited for today's scanning, machine vision, industrial, and consumer markets. So, when you're designing your next device that requires a crisp, clean image of moving objects, you need to be looking at a global shutter image sensor. And with ON Semiconductor's latest AR0144, 1 megapixel 3 micron pixel-based image sensor, you'll get leading global shutter imaging performance in a compact 1/4 inch optical format, meaning that it will fit any product size constraint and any budget. The AR0144 is available in color and monochrome variants depending on your needs. For more information regarding this product or our entire portfolio of image sensor solutions, contact your local ON Semiconductor sales representative, authorized distributor, or visit us on the web at www.onsemi.com.